Withdrawing money from your Etsy account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Access your Etsy account by entering your email and password. Make sure you are using the correct account associated with your shop. Step 2. Go to Shop Manager. Once logged in, navigate to the Shop Manager. You can find this option in the top right corner of the Etsy homepage. Click on it to access your shop settings. Step 3. Select Finances. In the Shop Manager, locate the Finances section on the left-hand menu. Click on it to view your earnings, payment account, and transaction history. Step 4. Click on Payment Account. Under the Finances section, select Payment Account. This will show you your available balance and options for transferring funds. Step 5. Withdraw funds. Look for the option to withdraw funds. Choose the amount you wish to transfer and select your linked bank account. Follow the prompts to complete the withdrawal process. After completing these steps, your funds will be on their way to your bank account. Always check your bank statement to confirm the transaction has been processed.